This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the headset. Make sure the Beats Flex have some charge and that you power them off. Once done, you should remove the old pairing on your device so settings won't interfere. Now position the right neck module so you can press both the power button and the volume down button. This combo triggers the reset. Doing this clears pairing records and internal settings, which is why forgetting the device on your phone first makes the reset reliable and predictable. You press and hold the power button together with the volume down button for roughly 10 seconds. This is the actual reset command. As you hold, watch the LED closely. It should flash or change its pulsing pattern to signal the internal settings are being cleared. Once you see that LED change, release both buttons and pause for about 5 seconds so the firmware finalizes the reset. This step erases the stored Bluetooth pairings and returns the device to factory Bluetooth state, ready to pair again. After the reset, you put the Beats Flex into pairing mode and select them from your phone's Bluetooth list. This reestablishes a fresh connection. You should test both audio playback and the microphone to confirm everything functions. If there's a firmware update available, install it through the Beats or Apple app to prevent bugs. If pairing or function still fails, make sure the battery is fully charged and retry the reset. If problems persist, contact official support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.